Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you have been wondering how can you actually remove someone from your Snapchat group chat, then you're in the right place, because today in this video I will show you exactly how to do that. All you need to do for this video is to follow up with me till the very end, and let's jump right into it. Now first, since we're going to be using the Snapchat application, of course, let's head out to your Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're on. So open your store and search for Snapchat there. And once you find it, go ahead and make sure you have the app updated to the latest version for everything to work properly in this process. After updating your app, you can finally go ahead and quit the store, and then of course open Snapchat from here. Once you open Snapchat, of course, make sure you are logged into your account and head out to your conversations, and from here open the group that you want to delete a member from. So let's just go ahead and find your group and tap on it to open it. Of course, you have to have a group in the first place. Now once you open the group, tap on the group name in the top of the screen that will appear right there. From here you find all the group members right here. To delete any, just long tap on the one that you want to remove and then tap on remove from group right here. You'll get this confirmation window. Tap on remove with the name right there, and just like that you have removed that user from your group. If you want to remove yourself from the group, you can tap right here in the top right corner and then tap on leave group. That's in case you wonder how can you even remove yourself from the group. Now if you want to add more people to that group and you have already created it and you want to know how, just tap on add members right here. Once you tap there, you'll be taken to your friends list. Just tap on the ones that you want to add. If you want to unselect ones from here, you can just tap on the users again and they will be unselected. Once you're done, tap on done in the bottom and they will be added to the group. And that is it for this video, guys. If it was helpful, please like and comment down below. Leave your questions in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one.